Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to recover Snapchat account without email and phone number. So let's get started. So now here we are in our browser, and the first thing you want to do is go into help.snapchat.com. And then once you're here, now you can go to this shortcut right here. I can't access my account. So tap on it. And you can also go for the my account is compromised if your account was hacked for some reason. So make sure that you select the one that would best fit your case. So in my case, I'll just go for I can't access my account. Let's say you forgot your password, and right here. So from here, as you can see, you have this section. So my account is locked, compromised, and so on right here. So in my case, I'll just go for I forgot my password, just for an example. And from here, what you want to do is you can see here, if you are eligible to reset your password, go here to learn how to reset via email or SMS. And if in your case it's a different reason on why you can't access or you would want to recover your Snapchat account, then feel free to select another reason, because it would be a different process on how you can recover your account. So I can't really go through it one by one. So I'm just gonna go with my I forgot my password, and I'm gonna tap here on this here link right here, or here button right there. And then from here, so this is how you can do it if you have just forgotten your password. So if you know your password and would like to change your password, you can do so at any time. So there are a few ways on how you can reset it on your browser from the Snapchat login as described below. Actually, you can just reset your password in the app. So from here, you can just go to the app right here, right there. And then from here, let's just go and we can just lag out, and let me show you lag out right there. And then from here, you can just use another account, and then from here tap on forgot your password, and this is how you can reset your password. You can go for via phone or email that was connected to that Snapchat password, and they will send a code right there or instructions on how you're going to reset it. And that's basically how simple it is. So yeah, it would actually depend on the reason or how you lost your Snapchat account on how you want to recover it. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.